case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1999 case Lane v. Hardee's Food Systems, Inc., heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit, the focus was on whether businesses are responsible for maintaining safe premises for their customers. Donald Lane sued Hardee's after slipping and getting injured in their restaurant restroom due to a water spill he claimed was caused by the restaurant's negligence. Initially, the lower court dismissed Lane's case, and Hardee's was granted judgment as a matter of law, after which Lane appealed the decision. The Court of Appeals reversed the lower court's decision and remanded the case for a new trial. The evidence, including the restaurant's daily habit of cleaning the restroom floor after breakfast, suggested that Hardee's may have created the hazardous condition, leading to Lane's injury. The court concluded that there was enough evidence for a jury to reasonably decide that Hardee's was responsible for maintaining safe premises, and that the lower court's decision in favor of Hardee's was incorrect.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class